Introducing the hybrid vehicle high-voltage battery for disassembly and assembly. This educational training tool is ideal for learning the structure of high-voltage batteries, understanding safety procedures for handling and servicing batteries, and practicing disassembly and assembly techniques. Learn safety procedures for working with high-voltage battery systems, including proper inspection methods and the use of personal protective equipment. You will also learn how to operate the high-voltage battery service plug. The battery contains no actual voltage, making it safe to work with and eliminating the risk of electrical injury. This is a perfect educational training tool to learn how to disassemble the battery, examine its internal components, and understand its structure. After removing the battery cover, you can access the internal wiring, observe the high-voltage relays, and learn measurement procedures, along with service plug handling techniques. With full access to each battery module, you're able to learn how to measure the voltage of individual modules or specific groups. In this case, the voltage is very low, ensuring safe learning.